Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is regarding a very common and important formula, that is vertical lookup or VLOOKUP, which is commonly used in our day-to-day activities in our office. So beginners like me struggle to learn these formulas. That's why I thought to make this video, as a senior of mine has taught me this very easy way to use the VLOOKUP. So as you can see, I have created very small table of this data here, where we can see the columns are named as staff, designation, age, year of birth. So let's assume this is the data of a very new and entrepreneurial venture, and this is the staff and their details here. That is staff, designation, age, year of birth. Now I also have another sheet where I have the same staff other details, that is their city and their income. So now as we can see, like for such a small amount of data, like for such a small quantity of data, we can even manually take the income there. But when we have hundreds and thousands of cells and hundreds and thousands of rows, then it becomes extremely difficult to find out, to dig out data from that huge files. So for that, VLOOKUP is very helpful. So now there are two basic rules for VLOOKUP. That is, like, there should be same information in one cell. That is, for here we in both the sheets we have the staff column is similar. As we can notice that the staff column is similar in both the sheets. It doesn't have to be same in the sequence or anything, but it just has to be the contents of that column must be same, and the data which we want to take to the other file must also be after the common reference point. All right, now as staff name is the point of reference for us in both files, and income must be after this column A. All right, if this was somewhere, if this was behind column A, we can just pick it up and bring it closer to A, and after A it must be the information that we need to dig out from one file, that must be after that column of the reference point. All right, so now I'll just show you guys how to apply the formula, the easiest way to use that formula. So I want to bring income here from the other file. So how to do that is, what I'm going to do is, like, I know people struggle in writing those formulas and learning to write them, or maybe there is one or two mistakes in that and the whole formula is messed up. So the easiest way to do is go to the formulas tab here. I hope it's clear. Go to the formulas tab, go to lookup and reference, and then just choose VLOOKUP here. All right, and then select the point of reference. As we know that we have the staff name is the point of reference for us, so I'm gonna click this, which is the common point. All right, which is the common cell, the common information in both the files. So I'm going to click on this cell. I don't have to write A2. This is the cell number. Lookup value means cell number. I don't have to write A2. I just selected it here and it is automatically written here. Now table array, for table array I have to go to the other sheet from where I have to extract the information of income. Here I am. Now what I have to do is select the column which contain our information. I'm gonna select this. Now I can't skip any column and select those two, so I have to select all the three columns here. All right, if income was at B, then I would have selected only two columns, but income is in C, so I have selected all these three columns. All right, in table array I have just selected these three columns like this. I don't have to write anything here. I have just selected it, and the table array is filled in this formula. Now for next, that is this index number. For index number we have to write the number of rows which we have selected, the number of columns which we have selected in the second file. How many number of columns we have selected here? Yes, you're right, we have selected 3 number of columns. Now for range lookup always would be 0. So we have got the income of Ali here. All right, So we just have to copy the, for rest of them we just have to copy the formula like this, and we will get the income of rest of those. All right. So basically there are only two rules, which is that there should be one common point of reference, and the information that we need to bring from one file to the other must be after that common point of reference column. All right. So these are just two basic rules, and this is a very easy way where you don't have to write the formula. So guys, if this was even tiny bit helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, as I'm also a beginner in YouTube. So please support me guys. Thank you so much.